Hello, my YouTube viewers. It's your boy here, Zulu Boy Mechanic. I'm back. It's been a while. I haven't made many of these videos, but I'm back again, and I've been there, just quiet or busy, no time for any recordings. But anyways, thanks for watching my videos, and I know many of you have benefited, as I also benefit from other mechanics, other shops. So here I am with this 2007 Subaru Tribeca. So I'm just doing an engine swap right now. I'm pretty much almost done taking this out. It's still inside the car, but it's pretty much done. Everything has been removed. As you can see, there's no intake. It's all out. Everything on top here, it's all out except these accessories: alternator, power steering, AC. So I'm just gonna leave the AC compressor. I won't vacuum anything. I won't remove the free one. I'm just going to leave it. So I'm just going to remove the bolts holding this and sit it on the side. As you can see, the condenser is still here. The bumper has been removed. The radiator has been removed as well. So my next step right now that's left, these are the bolts for the bell housing. I've already removed them. They're quite long bolts. I've removed all of them all around, even underneath. My next step right now is to access the flex plate. So there's a port right here that I have to open in order for me to access that and remove the 4 bolts. I'll show you on the engine that I'm going to install what I'm talking about. So I'm just going after these 4 bolts right here holding this flex plate with the torque converter. That's what I'm after, and this is the engine that's going to be going in. It's also been prepped, ready to go. I bought this one from JDM. They haven't disappointed me so far. As you can see, on Friday, this is what I pulled out. This is a Toyota engine. It's a 4-cylinder. Again, was from JDM, and the day before I did a Honda as well. So they haven't disappointed me, and I continue buying from them unless something happens. And this is the vehicle. So what happened was this engine here, they ran with no coolant, and that actually caused an overheating issue, and the engine knocked. As you can see, also the other issue on this car, what's that guy? Starvation of air. This is the air filter that was on this car. A basic thing to check, but it plays a very crucial part in the life of the engine. Remember, you need some air in order for you to stay above the ground. Your car needs that fresh air, or your engine needs that fresh air in order for it to keep performing. So take care of your car. All right. So I'm just going to continue here anyways. I wish I can record from the beginning to the end. Unfortunately, I'm just one man doing this job. Only 2 hands. Sorry about that. But anyways, if you have any questions about how to remove your stack, or you need some advice or help, shoot me a text. I'll gladly respond to that. Once again, may God bless you, and thank you so much for your support, for your encouragement. And it's your boy here,